Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone speaker crackling sound issue in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So first of all, check if your iPhone case is not covering the speaker grill. If it covering the speaker grill, then remove the iPhone case. And the second solution, I will prefer you to hear high beat rate music. Both the solution cannot be work, then go to settings and go to general, and here you can see the option software update. Here you can checking your updates iOS latest version. If it doesn't update to latest iOS version, then update it. After updating that, restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, press the power button and volume down button at the same time. You can see the option, this icon slide to right side. After sliding right side, your mobile will be restarted. After restart your mobile, your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.